This is just a brief upload with regard to the ongoing threats in society and liabilities in society that are damaging peace and harmony of society and that have trampled into property and wealth that doesn't belong to them. So there seems to have transpired individuals that are acting against the law, that are offending my family and my good name, and that have threatened my child's upbringing, and that have assisted in conducting property theft of my farm holdings in Ardfort and Kilflynn. So, as I've kept mentioning throughout these uploads, there is a violation of privacy and proximity where I am living at the moment. There has been perversion of privacy since 2016 on my marital farm holding, and the issues caused surrounding my marital property and my child that I gave birth to within wedlock with my lawful husband, Richard McElligott, is still an issue that the relevant bodies are not addressing. So it's highly insulting and injurious to my family that there are individuals and professionals and politicians that have been privy to the facts and the threats in society, trespassing where they have no right to be and discussing matters that they have no right to be discussing. The issue also pertaining to professionals assisting offences of treason and hate crime and negotiating and bartering human rights and children's rights and women's rights are an awful disrespect to society at large. So there's been a lot of problems caused for my child and my family, and the issue of these individuals being assisted against a law-abiding citizen, a humanitarian of royal bloodline, to accommodate fraud and theft is highly serious. So the very fact that they are being permitted in my proximity and speaking about matters that they have no right to be speaking just highlights exactly how serious the insults and injuries to the Constitution have become. So as a person that has respected the Constitution and other people's privacy and families and other people's good names, the individuals that think that by assaulting my rights and defaming my character after being insulting to faith and family, that they are of acquisition and acquiring from me and my wealth and property with displacement and defamation, are endangering and threatening society's safety. So unfortunately, it is a very sad sign of the times that a universal light worker and her beautiful child, his name is Gareth, I gave birth to him on the 14th of the 10th, 2015, have been endangered due to professionals, politicians, and relevant bodies not fulfilling their obligations to royal patronage. It's very serious what's happened in Tralee. So those violating my proximity and threatening society with further repeat offences are not doing any favours to human rights or the constitution of this democracy. It's very simple as that. So this is ongoing that I'm tolerating. So the uploads until further offences I experience, these uploads will be ongoing also.